Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll easily show you on how you can close your Bunq account. So to start, you just want to head over to your application right here. Basically, we are referring to the official guidelines on how you can close your account. Now, if you navigate through this website, this is not going to be the one for you to follow. Basically, with this one, you're just canceling out your plan. Now, to simply close your account, you can just scroll down, and from here we have the article on how you can simply close your account. Now, if you want to close your Bunq bank account, you can just head over to the home tab, select your bank account, and from there you then want to tap on settings. Basically, after tapping on the settings once inside your bank account, tap on the Close Bunq Account button, and from there you are good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.